Task. Which driver will pass first? Answer options. 1. The driver of the black car. 2. The driver of the red car. Analysis of the situation. In this situation, many people are confused by the give way sign. But remember, it requires drivers to give way to vehicles approaching an unregulated intersection on the main road. However, in the picture we see a traffic light, and according to the rules, traffic light signals, except for flashing yellow, take precedence over priority road signs. The correct answer is number 2, the driver of the red car. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are also learning to drive. Task. Which driver is violating traffic rules in the situation depicted in the picture at the roundabout? Answer options. 1. The driver of the white car. 2. The drivers of the white and blue cars. 3. The driver of the red car. 4. The driver of the blue car. 5. The drivers of the red and white cars. 6. All drivers are violating the rules. 7. None of the drivers are violating the rules. Analysis of the situation. The driver of the red car is about to enter the roundabout, the driver of the white car is about to turn around, and the driver of the blue car intends to exit the roundabout. It is clear that the driver of the white car is breaking the rules, as they are not complying with the requirements of the roundabout road sign, which requires drivers to drive around the flower bed, Central Island, in the direction indicated by the arrows at the roundabout. The driver of the blue car, exiting the roundabout, is about to enter the right lane from the far left. Let's read the traffic rules. Turns must be made in such a way that when exiting the intersection, the vehicle does not end up in the oncoming traffic lane, and when turning right, the vehicle must move closer to the right edge of the roadway, except when exiting an intersection where a roundabout is organized. The driver of the red car, entering the roundabout, intends to do the same. Let's read the traffic rule. Before turning right or left, including in the direction of the main road, or making a U-turn, the driver must take the appropriate extreme position on the carriageway intended for traffic in that direction in advance, except when turning at the entrance to an intersection where roundabout traffic is organized. So, you can enter and exit a roundabout from any lane. Correct answer number 1, the driver of the white car. Task. Which driver is about to violate traffic rules in the situation depicted in the picture? Answer options. 1. The driver of the white car. 2. The driver of the green car. 3. Both will violate the rules. 4. Either will violate the rules. Analysis of the situation. The road has 2 lanes for traffic in one direction. The opposite directions of the road are separated by a solid double line. However, on a section a few meters long next to the solid line, there is a broken line on one side. It is at this point that the driver of the white car intends to turn left, and the driver of the green car intends to make a U-turn. Obviously, the driver of the green car is breaking the rules, because the line may only be crossed from the broken side, and from the solid side only after overtaking or passing an obstacle. The driver of the white car, on the side where the solid line is broken, can cross it, but only to make a U-turn because the U-turn sign does not allow left turns. The correct answer is number 3. Both will violate the rules. This question may be asked during driving tests. Who will be the first to pass the intersection? Task. Which driver will be the first to pass in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. The driver of the white car. 2. The motorcyclist. 3. The truck driver. Task analysis. There are no traffic lights, traffic controllers, or priority signs at the intersection. But it is clear that the truck driver is driving on a dirt road. Let's read the traffic rules. The main road is a paved road relative to a dirt road or one marked with signs. The presence of pavement on a secondary road immediately before an intersection does not equate it in importance to the intersecting road. Therefore, the truck driver is on a secondary road and will leave the intersection last. Let's read the traffic rule. At an intersection of unequal roads, the driver of a vehicle traveling on a secondary road must give way to vehicles approaching the intersection on the main road, regardless of their further direction of travel. The driver of the white car intends to turn left. Let's read the traffic rule. Before turning left or making a U-turn, the driver of a non-rail vehicle must give way to trams traveling in the same direction, as well as to vehicles traveling on an equal road in the opposite direction, either straight ahead or to the right. Thus, the driver of the passenger car must give way to the motorcyclist. Correct answer number 2. Practical traffic rules test. Who is at fault in a traffic accident? Task. Which driver is at fault in the traffic accident depicted in the picture? Answer options. 1. The driver of the blue car. 2. The driver of the red car. 3. Both drivers are at fault. Task analysis. At the intersection, the driver of the blue car turns left, and the driver of the red car drives straight ahead. The traffic lights are working, so drivers do not have to pay attention to priority signs. Let's read the traffic rule. Traffic light signals, except for flashing yellow lights, have priority over road signs. The green traffic light allows both drivers to move in any direction, but the trajectories of their cars cross, so one of them had to give way. Let's read the traffic rule. When turning left or making a U-turn at a green light, the driver of a non-rail vehicle must give way to trams traveling in the same direction, as well as to vehicles traveling in the opposite direction straight ahead or turning right. The driver of the blue car was turning left, which means he had to let the red car pass. He did not do so, which caused the accident. Correct answer number 1. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are also learning to drive. Thanks for watching, stay safe on the road, and I'll see you in the next video.